For fulfillment in life, know your true self. Raj Yogi B.K. Brijmohan. Lack of knowledge of one's true self is the root cause of human suffering. We normally identify ourselves with our gross body, the way we look, our gender, race, religion, caste. None of these identifies the soul, which is a spiritual being, not a physical thing. Ignorance about the soul results in a worldly approach to life. We try to improve our life without understanding why the physical and mental capacities, circumstances, and environment of different people vary right from the time of their birth. We observe the success comes easily to some people while it eludes others in spite of their best efforts. At the back of our mind lurks the fear of death, which we think will deprive us of everything we possess and hold dear. Unless the basic aspects of life are understood, there are bound to be doubts, fear, and worry. The soul is a sentiment point of light that resides in and acts through the brain and body. It is the seat of consciousness and the life force that keeps the mind and body alive. The soul resides in the body and operates it. Physical organs are the agents through which the soul acts. It is not the mouth that speaks, but the soul speaks using the mouth. Similarly, the soul sees, hears, and feels through the other organs. The soul also experiences the consequence of its action in the form of pleasure and pain. Through the body and mind, matters by itself cannot think nor feel, which is why a dead body from which the soul has departed is inanimate. Just as electrical appliances cannot work without an electric current, the body cannot function without a soul. The soul has three faculties: the mind, intellect, and sanskar or tendencies. The mind is the thinking faculty. The thought process consents the basis of desires, emotion, attitudes, memories, and sensations. The intellect is the cognitive, reasoning, and discriminating faculty. It understands, reasons, discerns, and takes decisions. The intellect is distinct from the brain, which is a part of the body where all nerves converge. The brain serves as the control panel for the soul to regulate the functions of the body. Sanskar are the deep impressions that repeat actions leave on the soul. They constitute the tendencies, temperaments, personal traits, and habits which influences our thoughts. Sanskar determine the overall personalities of an individual. If we are influenced by vices such as anger, greed, or ego, our sanskar tend to become vicious, and then they induce us to perform vicious actions. Even the intellect bows before the impelling force of sanskar, which is why even intelligent people do wrong things. True and lasting change and development is in us involved transforming our sanskar from negative to positive and from unhealthy to healthy. The most powerful means to bring us salutary change is Raj Yoga meditation. Raj Yoga meditation, which is simply the loving remembrance of God by our inner being. In blissful and happy union with Supreme Soul Shiva, who always purifies, recharges, and rejuvenates the soul. The writer is chief spokesperson of the Brahma Kumaris organization. Thank you.